Shashikala Srivardhane from Supernovas addressing the media today. Firstly, a tough day on the field today for you guys. So when Trailblazers were going well, what was the talk in the team and what were the strategies employed to pull them back?
Yeah, we knew we just have to take 3 to 4 good wickets. So we were planning for that all the time. Heads were up, and we just wanted to take crucial wickets, regular intervals. So all the girls had the nerve, and I think we came back well after a few overs.
Radha Yadav has been phenomenal for the team. Can you talk a bit about her performance and what worked for her?
Yeah, she's been bowling really well and huge performer. I think she's from the starting she's been really doing well, and even the nets she's a really hard worker. So I saw that, and she has a huge talent, and she's executing in any pressure. So that's the main thing, that executing those things in the middle. So she's a young player, and she has huge career, I think.
Chamari also has been contributing well to the tournament and to the scoreboard. What has been her influence on the youngsters on the tournament?
Yeah, she's a performer all the time, especially in this format. So I think she gives a lot of energy for women's cricket and for batters and also youngsters. That how much is positive in this format. So I think youngsters have a lot of things to learn from her. I hope all viewers also enjoyed her innings.
How has the whole experience been in terms of playing a tournament in the whole COVID-19 scenario? And what have been the highs and lows of doing this tournament in terms of living the bubble and also playing the tournament?
Yeah, the main thing is the positive thing is that we are playing cricket, and people can watch cricket. So while bubble is they have planned a lot. So I must thankful to BCCI for all this. So we can play some cricket as women cricketers. So I'm hugely thankful to BCCI, and also it's a kind of we have to do some sacrifices with this COVID pandemic. So I think all the people, I would like to thank them to having a successful tournament like this.
Also, you've played your last match, I think, in March. How is it coming back to the field and how did you train for it?
Yeah, as we know about this from January, we were prepared, but with limited resources, I had to prepare myself in home with self, like lockdown and all in Colombo. So I think for me it's a big thing after retirement, being with these girls, being with these competitors. I feel really happy to be with them and play like this.
Last question for you. You've been a senior player of the team. How do you see this opportunity or a platform like this to motivate youngsters into the cricket?
Yeah, this is a huge platform because I've been in this field for so long. But this is a fantastic thing, especially as Asians. We were looking for something like this. So again, I must thankful to BCCI for this opportunity. And from this, definitely the women's cricket will be watching all over the world by people, and the girls will motivated to come into this sport, and definitely this will make a huge impact for women's cricket.
Yes, thank you so
Okay,
much.
thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We have the winning captain Smriti Mandhana from Trailblazers addressing the media today. Firstly, congratulations on a great win and also a brilliant innings today from your end as well. Uh, Something about your performance. You were in great control today with the good opening stand. What did you think about your performance today, and what did you think about the win?
Yeah, first of all, thank you. I think it was an amazing performance, and the team was brilliant. And on my batting, I think I was timing the ball well in the last match, but unfortunately, I was finding the fielders. So today it was a conscious effort to put in gaps, and I don't find fielders. So yeah, I think that was the only thing which I was thinking about, and I knew the wicket is tough, so just tried to get to 130 140, but somewhere we lost the track. But I think it was an amazing bowling effort and especially fielding effort. There were like two or three brilliant fielding performances, especially Jean's special mention to her. Haven't really seen a girl field like that. It was amazing to watch.
What was the chat while defending 118, considering the opposition had a strong batting lineup?
How much I batted, I thought that wicket is a bit tough to bat. So I knew that any total around 120 would be a fighting total. So when I was batting, of course, I was trying to look for 135, 140. But I back of the mind, I knew somewhere even if we get till 115 or 120, we still have a very good chance because we have a good quality bowling attack, especially spin and. The way it went in the first innings, the batters were struggling to spin. So I was really positive from the first ball.
How difficult was the challenge today facing Radha Yadav, who's been in brilliant form? A take on her performance and what was the strategy that he was adopted against her?
Actually, I didn't face her much. I just faced her in the power play first one or two overs, and I didn't get to face her much. But yeah, she's been in a good form, and so whenever a bowler is in good form, the only thing is just to take a single and attack the other bowlers. So that's what the whole. I don't think that was a strategy. We just tried to tell everyone that let's play according to the ball, and whoever is good on that day, let's just respect them.
Also, a word on Salma Khatun's spell today.
Yeah, I think she was brilliant, and those kind of performances, those kind of spells win you the match. And those 4 overs, I think she bowled the last 4 overs, the 19th, 17th, 15th, and the 13th over. So those are always very crucial. And the way she bowled, she got her all her experience. She's a very experienced campaigner for Bangladesh. So yeah, I was just telling her, use your experience, just believe in yourself, and she delivered. And yeah, I think there are 3-4 moments in the match, and one of those is definitely the winning moment. Her spell was a winning spell.
The last question for the day before you head out to celebrate with the team again. How has this entire experience of playing the Women's T20 Challenge, especially during COVID, and how has the team prepared for a situation like this?
Yeah, definitely. I think even last year we had a great time playing Women's T20 Challenge, and this year I think, especially we are not playing any cricket for 7 months, so we all were looking to play some cricket, come together, actually meet everyone. We haven't met for 7-8 months, which is very rare. So and yeah, I think. The last 6 months have been tough for the whole world, even for the cricketers, because we are not used to staying home. But yeah, I think it was worth it to come out here, play, because I think it was a great tournament, and all thanks to BCCI for organizing it. And yeah, hopefully we keep playing cricket, because I think that's what it keeps everyone, all of us happy.
Thank you so much, Ritti, and congratulations.
Thank
again.
you.